Hello, fellow traders. Tuesday, November 19th, was an interesting day of trading. The day started out, I had my trading zone drawn out of my chart, support down at 58.72, resistance at 59.20, and the previous close, Monday's close, was also at 59.20. And you can see that right over here. Here's Monday's close, 59.20. Now, where did I get the numbers for my trading zone? 58.72, 59.20. Well, I got them from my Taylor calculator. And here are the numbers derived from my Taylor calculator. I put in my numbers on Monday, Monday's open, high, low, and close. And these are the only four numbers that have to be entered each day: open, high, low, and close. And the calculator fills out the numbers for the following day, which was for Tuesday, 59.20, okay? 59.20 over here. And 58.72, 58.73 right over here. Okay, so that's how I got the numbers for my chart. So how did the day progress? Well, I'm going to go back to a point just about at 6:30 a.m. And at 6:30 a.m., the market started out coming in just about toward the middle of the trading zone. And just watch what happens as the market goes toward the opening bell at 9:30. The market plunges down to just about the bottom of the trading zone, opens right at just above the support, and then hits our resistance, and I'm going to stop it there. And so this is where the market opened up right over here, okay? Came down to within 8 points of support, and then shot up to our resistance, which of course was the Monday close right over here. And so if you're trading using the Taylor trading zone, that's how you use the trading zone, and you get off. In this case, it was a gap trade. So the trade again was right over here, okay? And close your trade right at the calculated resistance or the close on Monday. So that's my video for today for Wednesday. I've already put the numbers on my chart for Wednesday. Let me make my chart a little smaller. And here's where the market closed on today, on Tuesday. And here's my calculated trading zone for Wednesday. Resistance at 59.35 and support at 58.70, okay? So it's about a 65-point range for the day for Wednesday. We'll see how it goes on Wednesday. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Of course, Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.